Roofing specialists. Professional, local roofers in Richmond. We install and repair commercial roofs and residential flat roofs. We offer a wide range of services including new construction, roof replacement, metal roofs, and roofing repairs. We work with homeowners, contractors, developers, and business owners for their roofing needs. We use only the best quality materials. We provide residential and commercial roofing and repairs. We will ensure that your roof has good ventilation, which is important for your comfort. Our experienced roofers install shingle roofs, tile roofs, shake roofs, metal roofs, and flat roofs. We install new gutters and provide gutter cleaning and repair. There are many different shingle colors to choose from. We offer consistent, high-quality installation and repairs. Our workmanship is always guaranteed. Roofing specialists. Call now for a free roof inspection and estimate. 804-269-8110